Welcome for another mathematics lesson. We are going to handle a question on statistics. We are given that the table below shows the frequency distribution of marks scored by students in a test. Therefore, the marks are distributed here together with their frequencies. Then you are taught to determine the median mark correct to two significant figures. So what we should know that the median M is usually calculated by the lower class boundary of the median class plus n divided by 2, where n is the total frequency, minus the cumulative frequency just before the median class divided by frequency of the median class, then everything on this side multiplied by the class length. Therefore, the first thing to do is to determine the median class so that you may apply the formula. And to determine the median class, then we are supposed to come up with the cumulative frequency column. So what we do is to draw a cumulative frequency column on this side such that the first frequency is 2, then 2 plus 4 we get 6, 6 plus 11 we get 17, 17 plus 5 we get 22, and 22 plus 3 we get 25. Therefore, if the total frequency is 25, then the median class, the class we get, is the class which will accommodate 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. Therefore, according to the cumulative frequencies, then 12.5 is accommodated in the third class here, because in the first one we have only 2 students, in the second 6 students, but now when we see the third class, it is having up to 17 students, which means the 12.5 student lies in this class. Therefore, that becomes our median class. Now we apply this formula by taking its lower class boundary, and for the class 21 to 30, the lower class boundary is going to be 20.5, then plus n divided by 2 has already been calculated here, it is 12.5, minus cumulative frequency before that class. For that class, cumulative frequency is 17, so cumulative frequency before is 6. Then we divide everything with frequency of that class. Frequency of that class is 11. Then we multiply by class length. Class length is calculated by when we take upper boundary minus the lower boundary of the class. So 30.5 minus 20.5 gives us 10. Therefore, we have a class length of 10. So we use 10 for that case. Therefore, now we can finish up compiling by taking 20.5 plus 12.5 minus 6 gives us 6.5. 6.5 divided by 11 gives us 0.5909. Then we multiply this by 10. This becomes 5.909. So now we can have this one added. We add 20.5 and we get 26.41. Remember, we've been told to 2 significant figures. So to 2 significant figures, then we're going to approximate this to 26 exactly. Those are 2 significant figures. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share the link.